Arrangement number 24. 10 people are sitting in two parallel lines containing 5 in each. So in row number 1, A, B, C, D, E are seated and all of them are facing south, while in row number 2, I, J, K, L, M are sitting and all of them facing north. So friends, what they are saying is, and they like different subjects, so totally 10 subjects have been given. So our target to find which person likes which subject. And also they have given a direct statement as row number 1, they are facing southern side. Overall there A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D, E. So these person are facing southern side in row number 1, and row number 2, I, J, K, L and M. So these are the persons are facing north. And each person likes different subjects such as maths, economics, etc. And our target to find which person likes which subject and where he is sitting. Interesting and difficult arrangement. So point number 1. Only one person sits between J and the person who likes English. So between J and English, only one person is sitting. So let me take it as clue number 1 that between J and English, only one person is sitting. Okay. And the next is M does not faces the person E. So clue number 2 is M does not faces the person E. Okay, so M is not facing the person E. Okay friends, from point number 1 we have noted down 2 clues. So point number 2, E is third to left of the person who likes probability. So probability left hand side, at the third place the person E is sitting. So clue number 3, probability left hand side at a third place, 1, 2, 3. At a third place the letter E is sitting. So E right hand side third place probability, or probability left hand side at a third place E, right? And we already know that E is facing southern side. Listen here friends, we have two possible. Why? Because if I fix E here, we know that E right hand side will be this side. If I fix E here, 1, 2, 3, this will be probability, one possible. Or otherwise, if I fix E here, 1, 2, 3, this will be another possible. Friends, got the logic? There are only two possible. So let it be, we can read all the remaining points. If we are not getting any clue, then we can go for two possible diagrams. Okay, so next point is A and C are immediate neighbors, but A and C does not likes probability. So the probability is not liked by A and C, and they are saying that A and C are immediate neighbors. Okay, the person who likes oops faces the person who is third to right of I. So friends, the thing is, I right hand side at a third place, this person is facing the person who likes oops. So we already know that I is in row number 2, so definitely oops will be in the row number 1, which is southern side. So next point is E does not likes oops, right? So we can say that the person E does not likes oops. L is second to left of M, and who likes operation research. So we can say that M left hand side at a second place L. So M left hand side at a second place L, and this person M likes operation research. So I think we are writing lots of clues, but we can't able to fix anything. Okay, next point, L does not faces the person who likes probability. So L does not, take it as clue number 7. L does not faces a person who likes probability, and already know that M does not faces the person E. So friends, let me do one thing. Instead of reading all the remaining lines, we can go for two possible diagram, right? So first let me fix E here. Listen here, if I fix E here, E right hand side third place probability. E right hand side will be this side, so 1, 2, 3, and this is the place for probability. Okay, and probability is not liked by A and C. Okay, leave that point. Let me move on to this clue number 5. I right hand side at a third place, the person is facing oops. If I fix I here, listen carefully friends, if I fix I here, I right hand side will be this side. So 1, 2, 3, and this person should face as oops. We already know that E does not likes oops. So only possible that I should fix I here, I right hand side 1, 2, 3, and this should be oops. Okay, and the next is J and English. M we can fix because L and M in row number 2, L right hand side at a second place M, right? Listen here, if I fix L here, I should place M, and we already know that L is not facing probability, so better we can rub this. If I fix L here, L right hand side second place M. So if I fix M here, and we already know that M is not facing E, so there is no possible of placing L and M in this diagram. Friends, got it? We have fixed E, oops, probability I. By using this possible diagram, there is no possible of fixing L and M. If you fix L here, they have already told that L should not face probability. If you fix L here, M should not face the letter E. So we can say that this complete possible diagram is wrong. So better we can do one thing, we can rub this completely and we can make E here. Listen carefully, friends. So in this diagram, what I am going to do is, if I fix E here, E left hand side E right hand side 1 2 3 probability, E right hand side will be this side, so 1 2 3 probability. So this will be the place for probability, and probability is not liked by A and also C. Now let me do one thing. I right hand side at a third place, the person is facing oops. So if I fix I here 1 2 3 and this person is facing oops, we already know that oops is not liked by letter E. So only one possible that I should fix I here 1 2 3 and this person is facing oops. Okay, interesting. Then what all the remaining? L right hand side second place M. I should not place L here. If I place L here, this should be definitely M, and M is operation research. So J and English, next is E and probability, and also we know that A and C are immediate neighbors, and they have already told that A and C is not probability. So only one possible that A and C should be placed anywhere else. And better we can do one thing, we can rub all the clues, friends. Wait a minute. We can better rub this clue, because we have fixed this. We can rub this clue, and also E right hand side probability we can rub this, and A and C are immediate neighbors and we have fixed this also, we can rub this, and L right hand side second place M. Okay, still there are lots of points remaining. Let me move on to the next points. The person who likes digital signal processing and chemistry faces each other, but the person who likes chemistry is not an immediate neighbor of the person who likes English. Listen carefully. The person chemistry who likes chemistry and the digital signal processing are facing each other, and the person who likes chemistry immediate neighbor is not English. Okay, we already know that J and English, between J and English one person should be there. So let me do one thing. If I fix J here, this will be English, right? And listen here, friends. If I fix, for example, I am saying if I fix J here, only two possible for J. Either we should fix J here or we should fix J here. If I fix J here, and this will be English, right? And they have clearly told that English immediate neighbor should not be chemistry. So there is no possible of placing chemistry in either side. Only one possible, J should be chemistry. If I place chemistry here, chemistry opposite should be digital signal. Already we have placed a probability. So this is not the right place for J. So let me fix J here. If I fix J here, J and English, so this should be definitely English. Between J and English one person, and we already know that nearby English chemistry should not be there, so we can definitely say that J will be chemistry. If J is chemistry, then opposite person should be digital signal, so E should be digital signal. So finally we have found M operation research, J chemistry, E digital signal, I English. So finally we can rub this also, and also we can rub this. Interesting. Next point, friends. The person likes chemistry is facing north. Yeah, he is facing north. Only one person sitting between person who likes aptitude and the person who likes Java. So between aptitude and Java, there are only one person is sitting. Okay, next is person who likes Java does not like the person who likes probability. So that means the person who likes Java is not facing the person who likes probability. Then definitely Java should be placed here and aptitude should be placed here. So let me do one thing. We can fix Java here and we can fix aptitude here, because they have clearly told that the person who likes Java does not faces the person probability. Okay, we can rub this also. So finally we found L Java now. Still there are lots of letters remaining. Okay, friends, next is D does not likes oops. So the letter D does not likes oops. Okay, but an immediate neighbor of C. So C's immediate neighbor is D. Friends, listen here. We know that A and C should not be placed here. Definitely A and C should come in any one place, and they have clearly told that C and D is an immediate neighbor, A and C is an immediate neighbor. So C should be at the center. We should place D here and we should place A here. The remaining letter B should be placed here. So finally we found B is oops, D is probability. Still only one letter remaining, that should be K. So K is aptitude. The last line C, A does not like thermal. So if A does not like thermal, then C will be thermal and A will be remaining subject. What is the remaining subject? Processing max. Max is remaining. So we can say that A will be max. So finally we have solved one of the toughest question. So again and again I am saying that kindly pause this video and try to solve the arrangement question on your own, so that you will get an idea how to solve it. So if you are not getting an answer, kindly watch this complete video. So thank you so much for watching this, and if you really like it, share this video to your friends so that your friends can also learn this. Bye.